test number 2 for me. This is, I don't know if I'm gonna release it on my channel because I got some footage earlier, but there was something that got me disappointed. For some reason, when I hit the record button on the DJI, I think I forgot to record on the X5. But the strange thing is, when I dropped in the mic into the helmet, it must have just self-started capturing, because I don't remember pressing capture on the X5, which is bizarre and strange, you know. Oh well. Yes, what you're seeing right now is me editing on the go. You see, I just finished test number 1 and I've done the editing. Now I was doing auto edit where I'm saving everything, and now what's happening is I'm rendering and editing the X5 footage, which is here, this one. I'm on the go. I've got to edit and go. I told you I'm going to triple the content on my channel on the go. And that's one of the advantages of recording and uploading content on the go, where I learned to edit fast, quick on the phone, not using a laptop, so I'm not locked into a laptop or a desktop. I can just get it done on the go, on the fly, quick. Edit, upload and go. Edit, upload and go. That's what I do. Record, edit, go. Record, edit, go. Sometimes I just record and just upload straight away. So it depends. If I want to add an end screen and so forth, that I'll do on the laptop later on. But for the content to go on my channel quick, I need to get recording and upload. That's the way I'm going to do it. Otherwise, it's never going to happen. It takes forever and ever, you know. So I don't want to waste time. I'm all about time management. Against time, run against time. You can't technically manage time, but what you can do is get things moving. Is get things moving quick, fast, go, go, go. You know, that's what it's all about. I'm on the go, always. Yeah, traffic. Oh my god, look at this traffic. It's never ending, I'm telling you. Like I talked about on my channel a long time ago, it's like, where does everyone go? I mean, morning, day, night, it's just continuously traffic, traffic, traffic. Where's everyone going? Do people not have jobs? I mean, 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock, 8, 9, 10, whatever time it is, this traffic's like this. Gotta get in quick, otherwise they're not gonna let you in, so I've gotta make my way in quick, see? Yeah, my Lord is calling me, and I think I know who's calling me. That's my son. I'm not going to answer him because he'll lose it, because I took his other brother with him in the ride now, and you got to be fair, you got to balance it out, but one doesn't like balancing things out. Yeah, joys of being a parent, you see. Joys of being a parent. You know, it's actually hard being a father. It ain't easy, you know. You're trying to please everyone. You're trying to please the wife, you're trying to please the kids, you're trying to please co-workers, you're trying to please friends, you're trying to please... It just never ends, you know. I don't know, honestly. I honestly don't know. Oh well. Yeah. So I lost at least 12 minutes of the footage on the X5, but don't worry, because I've got to capture on the X6. X6. I've got to capture on the Osmo Action 6, so that's a good thing. So this is what, 70-80. I hope the sound is acceptable, and if it ain't, I do apologize. But as I said, the best sweet spot I found on motovlogging is 60 and below. That's kilometers per hour, not miles per hour. So 60 is the sweet spot, and I found motovlogging. Let's drop it down now at 70, we'll drop it down to 60, and you'll see what I mean. This is a perfect example that the best speed for creating motovlogs is 60 kilometers per hour, nothing more, nothing less. We'll look at the soundbar on the X5, and it's not peaking at max, which is good. It's good to know. Yeah, let's see, here we go. Do 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 do. Traffic, traffic, traffic. So I'm off to get food for Khalil because it's over. I need to get some food for her. So, and I thought to myself, the best time to go get it is pick up my other son who wants to go on the ride as well. So, thank you. Yeah. So this is 80, right? That's what I mean. See, I don't think 80 would be a good sound for motovlogs. So if you want to get perfect audio, watch this. I'm dropping it down to 70. Now I'm at 70. That's what I sound like at 70. And now I'm going to drop it down to 60. And I think this is where it's at for motovlogs. So this is DJI Mic 3 and Insta360 Mic Air. So you be the judge out there. What do you think? Which one sounds better? Drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know which sound sounds best. 60, 70 or 80. Or would it pass? Would it all three be acceptable to use as audio? Because I'm looking for the best audio for my motovlogs. But as I said, 60 sweet spot, that's what I'm going to use going forward on my channel. Because I need to get my motovlog content out. I need to start building that library. So that's what I'm doing. So you see, since I lost all my content in my old channel, I'm building each library as much as I can. So anything recorded in DJI is going to be a DJI playlist, recorded footage. Anything on the Insta360 will be in the Insta360 footage. Anything on the GoPro will be in the GoPro. And then you have my daily vlogs. And by the way, when you see now a new playlist called My Journey, this is all my new content. Anything that I found old that was from my old channel, I'm going to put in that playlist, old content revived. I think it's called revived, I can't remember what it's called. But anyway, you'll find it on my playlist. Check our playlist out if you can. Be much appreciated, because it just means I need to build up my watch hours, and I can't wait to hit 50 subscribers, because once I hit 50 I can start my lives, and when I start lives, that's when I'm going to get my watch hours up fast, and maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed, subscriber count too. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's back at 80. I can feel it because the wind in my helmet. So I'm going to drop it down, back down to 70. Yes, and back down to 60 here. Yeah, 60, sweet spot. So the moto vlogging sweet spot is 60 for me. Now I don't know about you out there. If you got something that you're not sharing with us, that you're doing it at higher speeds, well, drop it in the comment below and tell us how you're doing it, so everybody else out there who's into motor vlogging can do it too. Sharing is caring. And did I not mention earlier that the community is what brings you forward in life when it comes to the YouTube platform? If you ain't got a community, you're gonna struggle. That's the truth of the matter. You need a community. Build a community. Look after the community. Create for each other. Help each other, and we can get there all together. So you see, what I've learned today is that in a short span, how do you say it? I can't remember. Anyway, in the shortest time ever, I've already picked up a few people that has been from my old channel back on this channel. So you can see the numbers are starting growing. That's what I said. I'm going to grow it back quack. I'm going to grow it back quick, because you see, I do offer value for people who watch my content. People do watch my content, and people enjoy watching my content. So why not come back to my channel and join me on my journey? Because I'm about growth, motivation, life lessons, wisdom, sharing knowledge, and just helping you out there. And at the same time, I'm sharing content for my children to look back later on one day in life and see me create content. So it's for them, it's for me, it's for others out there too. Because something I offer is going to add value to someone out there too. So that's how I see it. Yes, that's how I see it. It's actually hot in the helmet. I mean, not hot. It's cold outside. We've got some cold weather now, and it's really cold, and it's beautiful cold. And this is where my Harley comes in handy right now. It's like a little warm machine under me to keep me warm. You have a hot water bottle in bed. You have a hot water bottle in. Oh my God! It's because of the way the helmet's holding my cheeks in more. You have a hot water bottle in bed. I have a Harley between my legs. Oh yeah, naughty boy. Yes, naughty, naughty. Don't be naughty now. Oh well, I'm sorry. I do apologize. Here we go. Keeping it 60 because I like to have my audio quality good. I ain't gonna ruin it. I'm loving these motovlogs. Finally, it's been like a long time in the making, just trying to get this audio dialed in. And now I found it. I'm like a kid with sweets. Enjoying the moment of this motovlog. Because it means I have you with me on two wheels. And this is where I get wind therapy. This is where I get therapy in my life, you see. I don't need no therapy sessions in life. I need my two wheels and the wind like this. And just enjoying it. Oh yeah. That's what I need. Wind therapy, baby. Oh yeah. I like it. Give me wind therapy any day. Whenever I'm stressed out, I shift down. And de-stress more, I shift up. And each gear I go up takes me further. Looney Tunes here with you, people. Looney Tunes. It's okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Should I keep continuing? Should I continue recording? I'm telling you, I found out what the problem is now. Because this new helmet, the LS2, squeezes your cheeks inwards more, it's actually affecting my speech, to be exact. So if you see me mumble jumbling with words, you know why. It's just trying to get my mouth to speak, and it's like squishing, you know. You try to hold your cheeks together and talk. You understand what I mean? Oh yeah, here we go. And away we go. Yeah, so I'm very impressed with the Insta360 mic Air. So this is proof on my channel. All I've done is adjust the settings and the gains down to minus maximum it can go. I think it's minus 12 dB, and that's it. Nothing else. And I've got the camera mic settings, which doesn't mean or bother me, or not really interested in it because I'm not focusing the outer mic unless I'm doing audio mixing. But for me, I want it for voice. So this is where the Insta360 mic Air shines now for motovlogging. But remember, sweet spot. I told you, 60 kilometers per hour. I don't know what it is in miles per hour. You can do the conversion yourself and find out. But anything above that is a no-go. Otherwise, it's going to start distorting the sound. And the same goes with DJI Mic 3, I'm assuming. We can do another test now, just to prove what I'm saying is true. Seriously, I'm telling you. Some people just don't know how to drive on the road. Keep my opinions to myself, thank you. Yes, some people just can't drive. I'm telling you, no matter what they say or what they do, they just can't drive. Anyway, that's my own opinion. Here we go. Yeah. So I'm going to run this recording until the battery dies. If I reach home, I reach home. I don't reach home, well, what to do? Yeah, so I've got about 18% left battery life in the Osmo Action 6. The X5 looks like it's got about 30. But I did use the camera yesterday. I didn't charge it, so minus yesterday's footage, around 35 minutes. What am I at? 80? Yeah, so 80 here. So this is what it sounds like with 80. I'm telling you, I doubt 80 is going to be the perfect audio sound for motovlog. So drop it down to 60 if you want the perfect sound for your motovlogs. Yeah, these D7 Pros by Denali. Amazing. So you got strobe action if I want to strobe somebody. If I hit the horn, it strobes as well, so it gets their attention. And when I turn left or right, the light switch off. Yeah, and I can turn it on and off by triple tapping the trip switch, and then it deactivates the lights. By the way, I'm learning how to speak with the helmet. See my chin, see my cheeks are pushed together, so it affects the way I speak, you see. So excuse me, here I come, yeah. Traffic, I'm telling you, traffic, it's crazy. Where is everyone going? Hello, people. And this is where the Road King shines, because it's just nimble and easy to maneuver. See, I had to fix that because the way my cheeks are pushed in together, which is affecting me speaking. Yeah, you learn something new every day, right? You learn something new every day. Who would have thought that simple squeeze the cheeks can affect the way you speak? Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah. This is where the automatic transmission will come in. Beautiful. Traffic. But again, I think that's more of a lazy way of riding a bike. You gotta use your hand movement to hold the clutch in and out, otherwise you ain't riding a bike, right?